Hi, it's Chloe Blanchet from Online Discovery, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your browser cache. So the first thing to know is what actually is cache. What is caching? What does it mean? Caching is a way of making website pages load faster on the internet. And the way that happens is that when you open a brand new page that you've never been to before, a copy of that page is stored on your local device. So usually your tablet, your computer, or your phone. When you go back to the website, a lot of the elements of that page are reloaded directly from your local device rather than online. So what are the reasons why you might want to clear your cache? Well, firstly, you might want to make room on your computer, because if you've never cleared your cache, then all that data kind of accumulates and takes up space. And the other reason is sometimes websites make changes or links get broken, and if you're clicking around and something doesn't work, sometimes refreshing that page and getting it to reload again will actually fix the problem if the website owner is aware that, that there's a broken link. So I'm assuming if you've watched this video, someone's actually told you clear your cache, and you're wanting to know how to do it. So the first easy way is to actually just use the refresh or reload button, which is this little on Google Chrome. It's this little reload here. That will sometimes refresh the cache, but sometimes it doesn't, and we actually need to delete a whole lot of we actually need to delete the files. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to have only one browser open at a time and only one tab. So on Google Chrome, you go to the end here to the three little dots, and you click on those dots. Then you scroll down to More Tools and to Clear Browsing Data. Once you click on that, it will bring up a little box and it will ask you what data you want to clear. So the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or all the time. And it will also ask you what you want to delete. So all your browsing history, all your downloads, or cookies and caching and passwords. So I just choose the cookies and the caching. See, we've got like one meg of caching here that we can get rid of. So once you've done that, you can press the clear data, and that will clear your Google Chrome cookies and cached files. So moving on to Safari. In Safari, it's a little bit more complicated. You want to go to Safari, then to Preferences. Then you want to go to the Advanced tab. So we've got the General here. You want to go to the Advanced tab, all the way down to the bottom to show Development Mode in the toolbar. And that will bring you up a new menu here called Develop. If you click on that, you can then choose Empty Cache, and that will clear your cache for Safari. You go back, go to Preferences, and remove that box again. Okay, so now let's look at Internet Explorer. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm using Safari with a tool that lets me look at websites through Internet Explorer. So in this instance, I'm going to go up to the wheel, the settings wheel on the right-hand side, click on that, then click on Safety, then click on Delete Browsing History. And once I've done that, I can see the different files, the different types of files I can delete. And I'm just going to choose the cookies, the temporary internet images, and I'll not choose the passwords. So I'm just choosing the temporary internet files and the cookies and website data. So I can delete that on Internet Explorer. Next, I'm looking at Microsoft Edge. So with Edge, we're going to go to the three dots again, go down to Settings, and then here you can either scroll through and try and find the settings, or you just type in cache and you'll have a button that says choose what to clear, And again, you can choose to clear your browsing history or your cookies and caching images, and you can clear those. Last but not least is Firefox. So with Firefox, we go the three little lines on the right hand side, and this one we're going to go to Library. Click on Library and then click on History, and then click on Clear Recent History, and this will bring up a little box where you can decide what you want to clear. So we just want to clear the cookies and the cache, and press Clear Now. So I hope that will help you. Very annoying that they're all in different places, and you have to look around to find the right function by browser. But anyway, I hope that helps.